guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to look at whimsical pieces from Evaless. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. I do want to say a huge thank you to Evaless for sponsoring this video. I am going to link all of the pieces that I'm going to share with you in the description box below. I want to get right to the fun part, the try-ons. Let's look at the first piece. The first piece that I want to share with you is a maxi dress. I know, big surprise, but when it is hot and humid out, I love maxi dresses, and I am always looking for ones that are comfortable and affordable, and this one definitely fit the bill. They're calling this the Boho Solid Tank Floral Print Maxi Dress. It is under $25. I think that is a great price point for a one and done outfit. This comes in sizes small through extra large. It is available in 2 colorways. The fabric is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. The care instructions say to hand wash and hang to dry. I have to be honest, I would put this in the washing machine on the gentle cycle, but again, that's just me. This features easy pullover styling. It has a flattering scoop neckline, and then it has wide, bra-friendly straps. Can I get a hallelujah that this is bra-friendly? I love to have a dress that I can wear a regular bra with, but still is cool and comfortable for hot summer days, but I digress. I love that the bodice of this is black, and then the skirt is this striking pattern. I always love a classic black and white pattern, and I think this one is really well done. Now, whenever I'm describing a piece of clothing to you ladies, I always try to give you the pros and the cons. I thought really hard trying to think of a con to this particular dress, and honestly, I could not think of one. I actually love everything about this. I love the fact that the bodice is this inky jet black, and then this white and black print on the skirt is absolutely striking. The fabric on this has such a nice feel to it. This one does not have pockets, so I guess you could say that's a con, but for me personally, it's not, because that way you don't have any weird bump at the hip. This was the perfect length for me. I found that it draped and flowed beautifully, and the main thing that I love about it is it is comfortable. This is as comfortable as a nightgown. I cannot get over the quality of this one for the price. Let's look at the next piece. Before I forget, when I placed my order on the Evaless website, I wasn't familiar with the brand, and I was a little bit on the fence about what size to get. So I erred on the side of caution, and I ordered all size mediums, and it turns out that every one of these pieces would have fit me true to size if I had ordered my true size small. So when you're watching the try-ons on this dress, it does look a little bit loose, but I can tell that it would have fit impeccably had I ordered the correct size. They're calling this one the V-neck floral button sleeveless dress. It is $37.99. It comes in sizes small through extra large. The fabric is 100% viscose. This one also says to hand wash cold and hang to dry. I would do the same as the first dress with this one, honestly, although I would hang it to dry for sure. This features easy pullover styling, a flattering V neckline. It does have buttons on the bodice, but they are just decorative, and I'm glad that they're not working buttons because that way you don't get any gaping whatsoever. And then there's a fully adjustable drawstring at the waist so that you can get the perfect customized fit. The drawstring also has pretty fun tassels at the bottom. It has a pretty subtle flounce at the bottom and a little saucy slit that doesn't come up too high. It is just perfect. I love the fabric of this one as well. It is so lightweight and breathable. This is the kind of dress that when you put it on, you just want to twirl. You want to see the movement that that subtle flounce at the hemline has. This dress does have some shearing on the yoke on the back, and then I love how I can just tie the waist into place. I think that the contrast fabric that they used for the flounce at the bottom is also so striking. I definitely wanted to twirl in this dress. I would love to know what you think about it, so let me know in the comments down below. Let's look at the next piece. I ordered this next piece on a total whim because I own absolutely nothing like it. I have a ton of dresses, but I owned nothing that looked like this. It kind of gave me a little bit of a Carmen Miranda vibe, and I just wanted to try something fun and vibrant. They're calling this the Bohemian High-Low Tiered Color Block Square Collar Midi Dress. That's a lot to say. It is $49.99, but I'll tell you why I think it's worth that in just a moment. It comes in sizes small through extra large. It is available in 3 colorways, and one was prettier than the next. I had a really hard time deciding. The fabric is 100% rayon. It does say to hand wash cold. This features easy pullover styling, a flattering square neckline, flirty ruffled sleeves, and then this dramatic high-low tiered color blocked hem. This dress also has side pockets that just disappear into the seams. Now I do have one word of caution about this dress, and actually all of the pieces. These did come pretty tightly compressed in a poly bag, so this was crazy wrinkled. Now I just got out my steamer, which I do with all of my clothes anyway, but I do want to make you aware that you're not going to be able to pull this dress out of the package and put it on. You're just not. You are going to have to steam it. But I think it's worth it. I think this is so pretty. I love this crisp white at the top, and then it is set off by this striking colorful flounce at the bottom. This does have a dropped waist, so that if you want something that's not too close to the body on a hot, humid day, this would be perfect. This fabric feels so light and breathable, and then there's this fun pop of color, and depending on what colorway you get, this one has kind of a beige or a nude, and then this vibrant yellow. In the try-ons that you're no doubt watching off to the side, I did decide to put a stretch belt with this, a wide stretch woven belt, and I thought it looked striking. This is another dress that you will definitely want to twirl in. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want to see more videos just like this one. Let's look at the next piece. Now, if you watch my videos regularly, first and foremost, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You have probably noticed that I am low-key obsessed with a Swiss dot treatment. I just think it is so pretty and so feminine. So of course I had to give this one a try. They're calling this one the Smocked Swiss dot Maxi dress. At the time that I'm filming, it is on sale for $43.99. The original price is $58. I do want to mention that Evaless has sales all of the time. You want to check out their website regularly because they have sales constantly. But I digress. This comes in sizes small through extra large. This is available in 3 colors, and once again I had a really hard time deciding on this one. I might go back and pick up a second one. I have another dress to share with you that I'm going to call the What Was I Thinking dress, but this one is right up my alley. The fabric is 100% polyester. It says to hand wash and hang to dry. You already know what I'm going to do with it. This dress features easy pullover styling, fully adjustable shoulder ties, and then it has this figure flattering ruched bodice. The skirt is a fit and flare. It is fully lined and falls into an A-line, and then it has 2 saucy slits on the sides. I'm just going to say it, there is so much that I like about this dress. Starting with this mid-tone pink color, I think it is so pretty. I like how you can tie the straps into a bow if you want, or not. You could also just tie it in a regular knot. And then it has this pretty overlay with all of this Swiss dot texture that I am just in love with. The slits on the side are not too high up, but it helps this dress to drape beautifully. The movement on this one was stunning. This is another dress that I just wanted to twirl in. I think it is so pretty. You can see that it looks the same on the back. It's just a little bit lower cut on the back. Now I did have on a strapless bra with this, but I feel like with the right bra you could probably get away with wearing a regular bra because the straps are thick enough that you could just place these straps over your bra strap. I love this dress. Let's look at the next piece. And the winner of the What Was I Thinking piece in this haul is this saucy little dress. Now I feel like I need to explain myself before I show this on. I remember seeing this dress and thinking it was striking. I remember putting it in my cart because I wanted to find it easily to show it to my niece. I remember sending my niece a link to the dress and saying, look at the back of that dress. That is striking. This reminds me of one of my favorite bras from a store that has the letters VS in it. But I digress. I thought it was striking. I had no intention to get this dress for myself because I am 59 years old. And this has a back cutout, which is right where my back fat lives. Now you can see that the dress is in my hand because when I went to check out my items, I forgot to remove this one from the list. So now I have it in my hand and I have to show it to you. I do want to preface this by saying that I have a niece that wears the same size I do, that is significantly younger than I am, that this is going to look stunning on. But I'm going to show it anyway because I'm going to take one for the team. I do feel like this is geared more toward a younger person though. They're calling this the Floral High-Low Dress with Lace Back. It is $37.99. It comes in sizes small through extra large. The fabric is 100% polyester. It does say to hand wash cold and hang to dry. This features pullover styling and then a flattering V neckline. The straps are adjustable, and that is always a deal breaker for me. I have to have adjustable straps. The straps connect to a striking back detail. I have not seen another dress made like this, and it's one of the reasons I decided to take one for the team and show it on, because I think it is so unique. The bodice is fitted. It has comfortable elastic at the waist on the back. I love the high-low detail on this one. I do want to point out that when I pulled a denim topper from my closet and put it on over this dress, the dress definitely worked for me and I felt much more comfortable in it. But because the back of this dress is so striking, it really would be a shame to cover it up. So that's why I say that this dress isn't for me, because I would hate to cover up the back. But if I had to make this work, I think it does look pretty with the denim topper. Next, I want to share some whimsical themed pieces with you. And I really feel like this is an area that Evaless excels at. They have such a wide variety of themes to choose from. I chose some daisy themed pieces because I thought it was fresh and fun for the summer. They have so many themes to choose from. Whatever you are into, if you are a sports enthusiast, maybe you collect owls and you love to have apparel that has pictures of owls on it, whatever you can think of, they have. Also, within each theme, they have a wide variety of styles. I decided that the best way to illustrate this was to choose 3 pieces within the same theme and show you how dramatically different the styles are. Let's look at the first piece, which is the top that I'm wearing. They're calling this the Daisy Lace Short Sleeve Tee. This one is $29.99. It comes in sizes small through 2XL. The fabric is 100% cotton. I love that about it. The care instructions do say to hand wash cold and hang to dry. I suspect that it's because this does have the daisy decals on it. I think honestly I would turn this inside out and put it in a garment bag and wash it on gentle. This features pullover styling with a crew neckline. It has these feminine and flirty eyelet flutter sleeves. I just love a flutter sleeve. I think it is so pretty. And then it has these daisy decals that are different sizes in a random pattern so that it looks like a wildflower field. I absolutely love the color of this one. It's a true powder blue. I think it is so lovely. This is big on me because I really needed a size small, and also this is a relaxed fit. It has a good amount of stretch. It is so comfortable and so breathable. I decided that it would look cute tied off to the side, so that's what I did in the try-ons that you're no doubt watching on and off. I thought that looked really cute, especially with white bottoms, whether it's white capris, white jeans, white shorts, even a little white denim skirt if you have one. I also think this would look cute with denim. Let's look at the next daisy themed piece. I was drawn to this next piece for so many reasons. They're calling this the Daisy Halter tank top. It is only $18.99, so it's a great price point. It comes in sizes small through 2XL. The fabric is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. The care instructions say to hand wash cold and hang to dry. Again, I would turn this inside out because it does have a decal on it. I would put it in a garment bag and wash it on delicate, but that's just me. You should definitely do you. This features easy pullover styling. It has a figure flattering halter style, and there are no fussy closures. You can literally just pull this on and be out the door. You'll notice that this style is dramatically different than the one that I'm wearing. I love the halter style of this. This is so easy breezy for summer. The fabric on this one in particular has such a nice feel to it. It is baby blanket soft. I love this pink color as the background, and then it does have this daisy decal, and it has a saying on it that honestly I try to live by. It says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. The graphic on this one also has some peace signs sprinkled in, and that definitely speaks to my inner hippie chick. I really like the style of this one. I love the cut of this one. I wish that I had ordered my true size, the size small, because this was a little bit big on me, but I have a niece that I think will love this, so I'll pass this on to her. With all of that said, I might reorder this in my own size because I really love this one. Let's look at the next piece. I think this next daisy themed piece is my favorite of the three. I love a slouchy, off-the-shoulder, lightweight, long-sleeve top for the summer for when you go into a cold restaurant or maybe it gets chilly in the evening. I love everything about this one. They're calling this the White Floral Casual Long Sleeve T-shirt. It is currently at the time of filming on sale for $28.98. The regular price is $32. It comes in sizes small through 2XL. The fabric is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. Again, it says to hand wash cold and hang to dry. You know what I'm going to do with it. This features pullover styling. It has this eye-catching asymmetrical cutout on one shoulder. I love that detail on a sweatshirt, especially in the summer months. I think the white background on this one makes the center decal really pop. This has several shades of blue. It also has a little bit of a burnt yellow as the center of the daisy. I think the pattern is striking. I like this just as much with a white bottom as I do with a pair of light wash jeans. This is the kind of thing I love to have with me for if I want arm coverage but I want something lightweight. This top does have a dropped shoulder, so it gives it that easy breezy slouchy look that I just love in the summer. It also has a ribbed knit cuff at the wrist so that you can push the sleeves up if you want to. I kind of like to put my sleeves at the 3/4 length because that works best for my proportions, but I'm glad that it has the cuff so that I have that option. And then it does have a banded bottom. Now I personally prefer to front tuck a top just to define the waist a little bit, but even though this was banded, I could easily tuck this in. I would love to know which of the three daisy themed pieces was your favorite, and in fact, I'm curious, do you have a theme that you gravitate toward? Say for example, you had a couple of little elephant figurines, and then over the years, friends and family members would buy you these little elephant figurines every time it was a special occasion, maybe a birthday or Christmas. Is there something that is associated directly with you? I would love to know what it is, so be sure and let me know in the comments down below. I am going to link all of the pieces that I shared with you in this video in the description box below. If you like fashion videos like this, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out and it lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. Pop over to Instagram and follow me over there. I would love to have you as a part of that community. I'm going to pop up a couple of my previous videos here, and I will see you next time.